Welcome to another Omenani series. It is Zetobo Sigwe, Ezi Kolomuo. Today I want to continue with the topic Akalaka, part 2. I have discussed the topic before. So today I want to discuss on part 2 of the topic Akalaka. For those who have not watched the part 1, please, it's important you go back to watch the part 1. Now we must understand these hard facts. Spirits, even Ogu, cannot do intellectual work for we humans. Most people always think that ego Ogu, if any, we always will overemphasize, or should I say overestimate, and it's wrong. You don't overestimate the job of the spirit, and you do not overestimate the job of Ogu. Remember, I think I said it in a previous video, that Ogu is a booster. Ogu is a booster. Only that means a booster no will if do there or be a help aka is boosting on a if do there aka. So no worry if do there, what if for a boost? So we should not always think that spirits or all on the nature wogu. Na haye no ye megono no ya always personally. No. Especially the intellectual work. The spirit cannot do intellectual work for we humans. We Africans, we Igbos, we ordinary people must understand this. Ni bele ni Igbulu echolaja ni melunka. Ona holo ni iye yuzo obolo. Ogu, spirit cannot industrialize an Igbo. It cannot develop an Igbo. It cannot modernize your compound for you. It is our job as humans to do the above, and we cannot do the above without intellectual depth. What spirits do is to help us in our quest. What Ogu does is to help you in your quest. It does not take over. The ball will always be in your court. As far as this physical realm is concerned, it must be, the ball is always in the court of we the humans. And every development must have an intellectual root, intellectual foundation. Even self, there is an intellectual level of intellectuality that surpasses Ogu. So we should not despise the importance of intellect. Or why ye jifu nya amahife o se no na eje agwo ogwu ego. Ogwu ego na ebi akọ na uche. Onye umengwa na agwo onye umengwa ogwu ego. Ogwu ego aye me ka egbawa mbọ na ime ume eji agba mbọ. So we should stop deceiving ourselves and stop wasting materials. Every man on this earth is on a journey, a mission. This mission is uneven, different, yet unique to each of us. Our job is to discover our mission. That is Akalaka. It is our job. Our job, Alpha, I've said it repeatedly. It is your job. Alpha is also a guide, because most times we always overestimate all these things. We should understand that we are the captain of our own ship. We are spirit. I want more in human embodiment. We are the captain of your own ship. If we are spirits in human embodiment, it means we are powerful enough to know our preordained mission on earth. We are powerful, even without the aid of Alpha, to know our mission on earth, because we are spirit. I want more. So, the act of running around to find out who you are or your mission on earth is a sign of spiritual immaturity. It can also be a sign of mental laziness. We must ask and search ourselves to know who we are. If it means to lock yourself up for days and find the answer, it worth the sacrifice. At times, time I hiji from one baby from one deliverance center to the other. Please use it and lock yourself in the room. Find out the answers. Chọkatazie the answer onye ahụ. I keep saying it. Ndị Igbo kwuru okwu nchasegono onye ofeke o wee jụọ dibịa. Onye adibịa o wee jụọ afa. At times onye Igbo you have not even done anyone. Ị na-achọ onye ya abịazi gbawara gị afa. A sị na umengwu ekweghị ngwere mụ nwa. Ọ sị na ndị ụmụnna dibịa ke ya agbụ. When you do not want to do your own job, you start looking for people to blame. Spirituality cannot take over the place of intellect, mental exertion. Just like mental exertion cannot do everything. Iwa abro soso maka agomago. Onwere ebe nke mmụọ batalo. Then nke mmụọ onwekwara ebe mmụọ ya enyefe ngowawo mmadụ ewe mee nke ru. It's about striking the balance. We must task and search ourselves to know who we are. If it means to lock yourself up for days to find this answer, it worth the sacrifice. Knowing your Akalaka and working towards its fulfillment is the essence of our journey here on earth. Like I said in the previous video, finding out your Akalaka will reduce this present practice of running from one dibia house to one deliverance centers. Now, here are 5 steps on how to find, develop, and fulfill your Akalaka. Step 1. Realize and accept you are different and here on a mission. Refuse to accept that life should be lived anyhow. No. First of all, realize and accept that you are different. Then Number 2, discover what interests you and what makes you different. That is step 2. Discover what interests you and makes you different. Our paths are different, and you must discover that your own path that is different. And at times, the answer lies in those things that interest you. Number 3, if they are many, if what interests you are many, settle for one, stick to it, develop it, and see it blossom. If they are many, settle for one, stick to it, and develop it to what? Blossom. Some people can have more than one Akalaka. Some people can have more than 2 or 3. At the same time. So take one and develop it. Number 4, ask your Shi and your ancestors to guide you daily. Once you have chosen, now ask your Chi and your ancestors to guide you. Remember, it is not the job of your Chi and your ancestors to choose your Akalaka for you. Because if I won't go, I won't decide if I can, or you decide you now invite your Chi and your forces to guide you on this journey. Unless you choose wrongly, mbano. Man, as far as I'm concerned, life is still onyekwe chiekwe. So once you have decided, you invite your Chi and Undishi to guide you. Makodu easy. Odrokwa feature. Iju will drop easy. Step 5. Keep working on yourself all around after doing the above. Work on yourself, on your intellectual development, work on your spiritual development, work on your physical development, your social skill. Work on yourself after doing the above. And if I repeat again, step 1, realize and accept you are different and you are here on a mission. Step 2, discover what interests you and make you different. Step 3, if there are many, settle for one, stick to it and develop it to make it blossom. Step 4, ask your Shi and your ancestors to guide you daily. Ask them. Don't ever leave your house without asking for your guide, the guidance of your Chi and your Ndishi. Number 5, keep working on yourself all round after doing the what? Above. I would like to see young Ordinana people at world stages. Ordinana does not mean that you are called to do Dibia. No. You can be a medical doctor, a high-profile medical doctor, high-profile lawyer, high-profile real estate developer, high-profile computer wizard, high-profile diplomat, and you are doing Ordinana. So it's not when we talk about Akalaka as regards to Ordinana, you think it means Dibia, Nde Mmili, Nde na-alụ ọlụ otu, Nde na-atụ amoosu, and all those other ones. Come on, be a globalized Ordinana practitioner. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you. I don't want to be